Hi guys, I am Dr. Vinod Pankaj Misra and you are welcome in my YouTube channel Pankaj Institute of English. So dear friends, I am here with 400 MCQs of contemporary period. Dear friends, I have completed from question number 1 to 347 up to part 16. This is contemporary part 17. Dear friends, these questions are very useful for competitive exam. तो यदि आप भी इसी प्रकार के क्वेश्चन सीखना चाहते हैं तो प्लीज़ सब्सक्राइब कीजिए पंकज इंस्टीट्यूट ऑफ इंग्लिश तथा इसे ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा लाइक और शेयर करिए। शुरू करते हैं हमारे आज का फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन, क्वेश्चन नंबर 348। 348 which novel of William Cowper contain the theme of tradition in the bourgeois world? Option A, Memorize of Newman. Option B, The Ever Interesting Topic. Option C, The Scene from the Provincial Life. And option D, Scene from Married Life. So which one is the correct answer? The correct answer of this question is option B, The Ever Interesting Topic. Now question number 349. Which novel of Pamela Johnson contains the portrayal of mad novelist? Which novel of Pamela Johnson contains the portrayal of a mad novelist? Option A, Cork Street. Option B, The Last Resort. Option C, The Unspeakable Skipton. And option D, The Humbler Creation. So option C, The Unspeakable Skipton is the correct answer. Now question number 350. Sylvia Plath's Crossing the Water was published in option A 1970, option B 1971, option C 1972 and option D 1973. So option B 1971 is the correct answer. Now question number 351. Which unfinished work of James Gordon Farrell was published in 1981? Option A, A Hill Station. Option B, A Girl in the Head. Option C, The Lung. And option D, A Man from Elsewhere. So option A Hill Station is the correct answer. A Hill Station, unfinished work of James Gordon Farrell, was published in 1981. Now question number 352. W. H. Auden began writing poetry when he was hardly. W. H. Auden began writing poetry when he was hardly. Option A 19, option B 17, option C 15 and option D 13. 13. So which one is the correct answer? The correct answer is option C 15. Now question number 353. This poet wrote most of his poetry in the USA, where he adapted the Christian philosophical outlook with Jung's philosophy and freely interpreted it to serve his purpose. Who is this poet? Option A Louis MacNeice, option B Stephen Spender, option C Samuel Beckett and option D W. H. Auden. W. H. Auden. So which one is the correct answer? Option D. W. H. Auden is the correct answer. Now question number 354. Which 354. Which of the following is a critical essay by Cecil D. Lewis? Option A, The Lyric Impulse. Option B, The Friendly Tree. Option C, Child of Misfortune. And option D, Starting Point. So critical essay by Cecil D. Lewis is The Lyric Impulse. Option A is the correct answer. Now question number 355. Name the writer who wrote A Time to Dance. Time to Dance, From Feathers to Iron, and The Magnetic Mountain. Option A Cecil D. Lewis. Option B Brandon Behr. Option C Ted Hughes and option D Robert Bolt. So option A Cecil D. Lewis is the correct answer. Now question number 356. 356. Who wrote 350. Who wrote detective novel under the pseudonym Nicholas Blake? Option A. Henrik Ball. Option B. Malcolm Bradbury. Option C. Cecil D. Lewis. And option D. Samuel Beckett. So the correct answer is option C. Cecil D. Lewis wrote detective novel under the pseudonym Nicholas Blake. Now question number 357. When was Dr. Zhivago written by Robert Bolt? Option A 1960, option B 1963, option C 1965 and option D 1967. So the correct answer is 1965. Option C is the correct answer. Now question number 358. Who among the following wrote in support of Republican cause of civil war in Spain? Option A. Kingsley Amis. Option B. Cecil D. Lewis. Option C. William Golding. And option D. Christopher Isherwood. So option B. Cecil D. Lewis is the correct answer. Now question number 359. Christopher Fry is A. Option A poet, option A poet, option B novelist, option C critic, and option D playwright. So option D playwright is the correct answer. Dear friends, these questions are very important for any competitive exam of English. So listen these questions again and again. Now question number 360. He was one of the angry young men of 1950s. Like the heroes of his novel, he became progressively more conservative in his attitude. Identify this novelist. Option A. Cecil D. Lewis. Option B. John Brain. Option C. B.S. Naipaul. And option D. William Golding. So the correct answer is option B. John Brain. Now question number 361. Which of the following is a film प्ले बाय विलियम गोल्डिंग? विलियम गोल्डिंग के द्वारा लिखा हुआ प्ले कौन सा है? ऑप्शन ए द ब्रास बटरफ्लाई, ऑप्शन बी समटाइम्स नेवर, ऑप्शन सी द पेपर मैन एंड ऑप्शन डी द पिरामिड. सो ऑप्शन ए द ब्रास बटरफ्लाई इज द करेक्ट आंसर. Now question number 362. Name the writer of all the conspirations down there on a visit and Prater Violet. Option A Christopher Fly. Option B Malcolm Bradbury. Option C Christopher Isherwood. And option D William Golding. So option C Christopher Isherwood is the correct answer of 362. Now question number 363. According to Kazamian, as a playwright, he echoed the mood unrest, the growing awareness of danger represented by fascism. Identify the playwright. Option A. Christopher Isherwood. Option B. Brandel Bahan. Option C. Samuel Beckett. And option D. Robert Bolt. So option A. Christopher Isherwood is the correct answer. Now question number 364. Now question number 364. Who wrote India A Million Mutinies now in 1981? Option A Sylvia Plath. Option B B.S. Naipaul. Option C Rudyard Kipling. And option D Salman Rushdie. Salman Rushdie. So option B B.S. Naipaul is the correct answer. Now question number 365. Who is the hero of Alan Silito's novel Saturday Night and Sunday Morning 1958? Option A Arthur James. Option B John Arthur. Option C Arthur Shaftesbury. And option D Arthur Seaton. So option D Arthur Seaton is the correct answer. Now question number 366. Dallas Thomas was born in a small town of Dallas Thomas was born in a small town of Bristol. Option B Sussex, option C Wales, and option D Kent. So option C Wales is the correct answer. Now question number 367. 367. Tony Curtis is a. Tony Curtis is a. Option A, poet. Option B, short story writer. Option C, critic. And option D, all the above. So Tony Curtis is all the above. Poet, short story writer and critic. Now question number 368. H.E.B. Chinua is a novelist. Option A, Nigerian. Option B, South African. Option C, Tanzanian. And option D, Rhodesian. So correct answer is option A, Nigerian. Achiba Chinua is a Nigerian novelist. Now question number 369. 369. Achiba Chinua was awarded the Nobel Prize for Literature in. H.E.B. Chinua was awarded the Nobel Prize for Literature in option 1988, option B 1989, option C 1990 and option D 1991. So the correct answer is option B 1989. Now question number 370. Besides being renowned novelist, Agatha Christie is also a. मतलब रिनोड नॉवलिस्ट होने के साथ साथ अगाथा क्रिस्टी क्या थे? ऑप्शन ए क्रिटिक, ऑप्शन बी बायोग्राफर, ऑप्शन सी प्ले राइट एंड ऑप्शन डी जर्नलिस्ट. सो ऑप्शन सी प्ले राइट इज द करेक्ट आंसर. नाउ दिस इज द सेकेंड लास्ट क्वेश्चन ऑफ दिस वीडियो डियर फ्रेंड्स. यदि आपको इस प्रकार के क्वेश्चन पसंद आए हो, ये वीडियो पसंद आया हो, एक भी क्वेश्चन यदि आपके लिए नया हो, आपने सीखा हो, तो इस वीडियो को ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा लाइक करिए, शेयर करिए और यदि आप चैनल पर नए हैं तो प्लीज़ इसे सब्सक्राइब करिए, बेल आइकॉन को प्रेस करिए ताकि इस प्रकार के वीडियो जब भी अपलोड हो तो इनका नोटिफिकेशन आप तक पहुँच सके. आइडेंटिफाई द अफ्रीकन राइटर हु स्पेंट अ मेजर पार्ट ऑफ हिज लाइफ इन स्पेन and participated in the Spanish Civil War. Option A, H.E.B. Chinua. Option B, Roy Campbell. Option C, Roy Fuller. And option D, Roland Duncan. Ronald Duncan. So the correct answer is Roy Fuller, option C. Now this is the last question. Who wrote the 7 types of ambiguity, the structure of complex words and the gathering storm? Option A, William Emerson. Option B, David Jones. Option C, Colin Wilson. And option D, Alice Dare Gray. So the correct answer is William Emerson. Option A is the correct answer. Thank you for watching this video dear friends.